I've been able to achieve patients' goals of improving their fall risk by working on balance with the standing restore programs and also the seated restore programs.
Something that they can use now, they can use it next week, it's going to be used for a long time, and it's something we've never done before. That's the best part.
After using it, I realized that it is very user-friendly and that it is accessible to the residents because we can do it bedside or in the gym.
They enjoy it's interactive. They can do it by themselves. Best part of it is they can do it with their families. So that they really enjoy that.
I don't think they realize they're having therapy by playing it, but they get to use their arms and they get to multitask, they're thinking, and hand-eye coordination, balance. There's so much to work on with it. It was so good for the residents, they became more active in therapy.